Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by t to the power of 3. So we see that we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. So we see that positive 3 over t next to y, that is for integrating factor. This one we have 3 ln t. So number 3 will go inside about natural law in here. And we have t to the power of 3. So we need to multiply by t to the power of 3 for the both sides in here. So this one we have 3t squared. This one we have number 1. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y t to the power of number 3. This one we have sine t and we put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when t equals to b, y equals to number 0. So I will put number 0 and t equals to b going here and here to find the value of c. So c equals to number 0. So I will put number 0 going here. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.